रामा रटते रटते बीती रे उमरिया रामा रामा रटते रटते. Wow! What a beautiful large stone it is. When not I made a statue of my Ishwar from it. Yeah, that's a good idea. गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर् विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर् साक्षात् ब्रह्ममयि तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. रामा रामा रटते रटते बीती.
After some time, that stone was seen by some people who dressed up like Maulvis. They show that idol of Ishwar and think to make a statue of Allah.
Ya Allah, Ya Khuda, Ya Allah, Ya Khuda, Ya Allah, Ya Khuda. Wow, what a statue or a shiny stone. It is. Why don't I use it to make statue? Yes, it's a nice plan. Let's go.
After working on that stone, the statue we completed, and then he started offering namaz and read kalma in front of it and leave that place.
Ya Allah, Ya Khuda, Ya Allah, Ya Khuda.
Same as both Maulvi and Press, a pair of Sikh gurus passed out from there, and they are also think the same to make idol of their own god, their guru's statue.
Satnam Vaheguru, Satnam Vaheguru, Satnam Vaheguru. Wait, Raji, see, what is that? I think we should give it the shape of our Karta Dharta, our Guru Sahib, Guru Nanak Ji.
Why to wait? Let's start our work.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्भैर अकाल मूरत अंजुनी सैभम गुर प्रसाद आदि सच सच जुगादि सच है भी सच नानक होसी सच.
Then they after
वाहेगुरु सतनाम.
they'll start working, and then completion of their work, they do their prayer and leave that place. And the same goes, and the time goes on. After some time, some people who belongs to Christian religion see that place and thought to make the statue of their god.
Father, see this statue. I don't know why I am feeling to make a statue of Jesus Krishna from it. I think we completed that. It will looking very beautiful and pleasant.
Yes, I again with you also think we should make the statue of Jesus from it. Let's do it together.
They made a statue of their god from it and offer a prayer for getting the blessings of their god. As soon as they finished their prayer, Hindus' priest came there and the fight started between them. And the topic of that was a statue or ideal of Bhagwan and their god.
Oh my Krishna, what do you do with my statue of my Bhagwan? He is mine. I say a first and give a shape of my Bhagwan from it. He is mine.
No, now it belongs to us.
Between the fight of both these, the Sikhs and Muslims arrived there and they also started fighting with each other.
No, Praji, will we give the shape of our Guru Sahib? It's ours. It's mine.
No, it's not the statue of yours. It is an idol freedom. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine.
After this argument, the fight of religion get started. They all are fighting but not to agree for compromise. Everyone wants that stone to give the priority to their religion.
Stop. I have an idea. Please stop fight with each other and give me your towel. I find the way to stop this useless fighting.
After stopping them, the man who arrived there, he was doing something with their towels, and after some time he started give another shape to that statue, and after completing that statue, he gave him a stick to his hand and said all of them to dress that statue like an army man. Everyone helps them.
Everyone help me to do this. You all dressed up this statue as an army man.
Everyone is starting working on it. As he said, and that time the farmer who looked like a farmer completed his work and shown that to all. Everyone gets surprised because
Hey, see this. This stone is everyone's help now. Let's put this cloth on that stick.
everyone
And in all fight,
to see that statue. All were convinced with that. All are very happy now. Everyone salute that statue and live together happily. This story tells us the unity and diversity of our India. That's why India is called as the country of unity and diversity.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Some line